Welcome. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. And exhale fully. Let go of the day so far. In this moment, you are here to relax, to connect, to feel grounded and refreshed. Let your breath be your guide. As you inhale, imagine you're drawing in fresh, clean energy. Feel it filling your lungs, flowing through your body, reaching every cell. And as you exhale, let go of any stress, any tension, any heaviness. With each breath, you are grounding yourself in the present, calm and steady. Now imagine that you're sitting at the base of a beautiful, strong tree. This tree has deep roots that extend into the earth, connecting it to a source of strength and stability. Picture yourself as this tree, grounded and steady. Imagine your own roots growing down from the base of your spine, reaching deep into the ground, anchoring you. Feel the strength of the earth supporting you. The deeper your roots go, the more connected and stable you feel. Any stress or worry just flows down through these roots, leaving you feeling calm, clear, and at ease. As you sit here, grounded and calm, imagine a gentle, warm energy rising up from the earth through your roots. This energy flows into your legs, through your spine, up to your chest, and all the way to the top of your head, filling you with a radiant light. This energy is your strength, your potential. Just like the branches of a tree reaching toward the sun, feel yourself growing taller, more confident, more energized. You are both rooted and rising, connected and free. Take a few moments here to feel this balance, grounded yet rising, calm yet energized. In this space, you have everything you need. You are stable, strong, and open to endless possibilities. Breathe in this balance and let it become part of you. You are ready to take on whatever comes your way with grace and ease. Now, begin to bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel the air around you. Take one last deep, energizing breath in. And as you exhale, open your eyes. You are grounded, balanced, and ready for whatever the day brings. Carry this sense of strength and calm with you, wherever you go.